always say, you gotta dig the crap if you want the gold. Gotta dig it. Can you dig it? Alright, this is a companion video for the video I put up last night. We're now in the Historical Society's museum. And we've got all kinds of exhibits. Photographs of famous folks from this area. Period pieces, furniture, scrapbooks, yearbooks, cemetery listings, all kinds of research materials and display items. I'll just walk us around a little bit, see what we got here. Kind of pump organ. Little parlor setup. Clothing. They got a little bit of everything. And here's what I'd like to find a bunch of. That's quite a collection. Wow. Even down to the wee bitty ones. Look at that. This whole display is on the Heritage Village, which you've seen me at before. Tells all about it. How they done it, how they moved the buildings, the way everything was set up. A few videos ago I did a walkthrough tour on the Heritage Village, and you ought to go back and check that one out. Now, these folks here at the Historical Society, they'd be glad to give you a history tour anytime you come in and they're open. I'll be back. Go ahead.
If you get in touch with any of us, happy to open at any time. Some interested party wants to tour the place. But 11 to 2 on Fridays, year-round is the set time.
And the address here is?
Well, it's 242 Main Street, I think.
Okay. Well, you can't miss it. It's got a big storefront, and it's filled with period costumes and all sorts of stuff here to see. So if you want to know anything about Calhoun County, he's the guy to see. Now, this place is the place to be. Somebody will be here on a Friday between 11 and 2. Had summer and winter, so come on in. We can use your tourist dollars here in Calhoun County for sure.
We have this museum, the hotel, museum next door, and Heritage Village.
Yep. Well, they've seen Heritage Village. I've been there a few times. I even did a walk-through tour. So, all right, all you YouTubers. Wait a minute, pointing at the wrong part of the camera. All right, you YouTubers. Come on down here to Calhoun County, West Virginia. Purdy here, nice and green. What's in your yard? Okay, at that last place, all I got was a 1966 quarter, 66 dime, and a 67 dime, and a couple of crapped out pennies. Nothing old, not even anything silver. So I moved on. Oh yeah, I got that CCR too. So now I'm over here at the Calhoun County Park again. This time I'm doing the baseball diamond. Let's see what we can come up with. What's in your yard? You know the deal. Okay, like I'm up here at the ball field, and that's the size hole I like to make. See that? Can you see that? That's the size hole. I'd say a 2-inch hole, 1.5 inches deep. And there's my penny. Okay. And that's what you see when I leave. Okay, live dig. Somewhere here, the machine says. Oh, right there, anyway. $19.98 dime. Whoopee! Done. Well, folks, I'm packing it in. I'm beat. I just noticed herd of deer came this way. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7 deer came this way when the ground was still wet. That there is an adult, and that in there is a juvenile. But yeah, they just walked across this field. I don't know if you could see that or not, but they all walked across the field, split up. Or they all came together back down this end. I don't know which way. I can't tell. I'm thinking they all came together here because the toes are pointed towards me, so we'll see. Well, actually, we won't see. They're gone, long gone. Now here's the finds for today. Over at that old farmhouse, we got this stuff. A CCR, a 60s quarter, 60s dime, and another 60s dime. And I don't know, what do you think? Is this some kind of buckle? Could it be a buckle? I don't know, anybody knows, let me know. Because they were found in the same hole, one under the other. So there they are. And up here at the park we got 4 dimes and 3 pennies. Nothing very old at all. So, not a great day, but hey, every day is a great day. It's a great day for America. Thanks, y'all. What's in your yard? Later. Oh yeah, did I mention the junk? Here's the junk. And check this out. I'm going to empty my bag. Cool, now we can start fresh next time. Surface find. See right there? Got us a marble. First one of the day.